You're gonna need that wheel in a second, boy. I'm turning it into your hamster wheel, bitch.
Yay! Exercise! Hoo, ha, hoo, ha. Oh wait, I'm controlling Batman. Ha ha! I'm controlling Batman now. That means that we're not going to have any hamster wheel exercises.
That's what you think.
No.
You're already in the hamster wheel.
No! That explains so much and yet so little. I almost have no idea where I'm going, by the way. Do I have to go this way?
You need to fight the good fight. And oh, sorry, man.
Oh crap! That's not the right way.
Oh, fool! Ways you can go.
That's not one.
That is definitely not the way to go.
Right. I think I want to go the door. No?
You want to go up.
Up. Up is the right answer.
To the right.
Bloop. That door there.
Yes.
Train station access.
Yes.
Elevator.
Yes.
Intelligence.
Yes.
No, there's none in this section of the room.
Sorry.
I couldn't even figure out how to get out of the room. Come on.
Have you tried going? Oh my god! Another fucking. Really?
do 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 do. Oh, that's not the right one. Wow, take it down. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I just explosive diarrhea. What was that? Glitching. Oh, this is ridiculous. This is an incredibly long elevator ride for no reason. Whoop. Okay.
I'm guessing there's gonna be
Bad guys in snow.
Oh, what was that?
Oh. Beep 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 beep.
Oh.
Ah. Well, that explains that. Was that supposed to be a puzzle, or was that just?
No detective room. Never mind.
That wasn't intelligent. Hi guys.
Hey, we can actually now block us. Yeah, block us on stage.
Not punch though. Actively punching is not a good choice.
No. So why?
Actively punching again. Really? Even nah, whatever.
Yeah, no.
Drop the stick.
That guy has a gun.
No, he doesn't.
So does that guy?
Nope, no guns here. Put the stick down. Stay away from the guns, stay away from the stick. If you value your life, you'll stay away from all this stuff.
Oh dear. Oh no, no. Oh. I have hiccups. This is problematic.
This is not good for a recording audio show.
No.
Oh. Hello, Brandon. The real reason I'm blowing up side villains is just so I can destroy you. And your little friend. You know what? One's too good for you.
Self-righteous son of a bitch.
Okay, I'll untie you. With the explosion.
Come on, untie me, you freak.
You're gonna have to talk to him, dude.
Damn it.
He's never psionic. The Joker put up a bounty, and now he's behind bars.
So you're wasting your
And
time.
I still got a score to
Whoop.
settle.
Really? Really?
That's
The
ridiculous.
rest of the night off.
Killing
Really?
Batman.
You honestly thought that was gonna work?
You know what? No, oh, let's try that first. Yep. Okay. That looks good. And one.
You want to tell the other guy?
I think maybe. Or we'll put two there. That's fine. Make a collapsing steel girder on his face.
Let's see if we can untie the other guy.
Talk to
Okay.
us, officer.
I know to uphold the law. When I see you again, I expect you
Oh, we cannot untie him.
to the letter.
Take that.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Good. You should be. Next time I won't be so friendly.
You blew him up, sir.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is me being friendly.
Ooh. I think I found the whole reason they wouldn't give us ice grenades. This one fire. The whole game. No ice grenades because of that one fire. Oop. That was a bad choice. So, stealth mission? Looks like a stealth mission.
Yeah.
Okay.
Firefly's locked his hostage.
Alright, so how do I,
Explosives.
thank you. Okay. 4?
Only 4 guys.
Easy stealth then.
Yeah.
I won't have to worry about hiding.
Hell no, you can just walk up there and go around the other side unless. Nope, he's not going to prop through me up. Of course, if I was playing.
Hi, guy.
If you're lucky, you might. Yes, you can totally go up and over. I reckon.
Theoretically. Oh, no, that's the wrong way. Nope, can't really go over there. Okay, let's try and do this. Remote control battery?
No, smoke bomb.
That could work. Heads. Aim for heads.
Show you the flashlight.
He's here! Yes, remain silent while I bash your head in. Forget the hostages.
Not bad.
Uh-oh. That didn't sound good.
Oh, look behind you.
That window broke. Maybe?
Oh boy.
Right, so there was not any of the bombs. Let me break them in. Let me break them in. No, I'm gonna blow you up. Is he going to say this?
The door behind you.
There's a door behind you?
There's a door. There's a door.
Nope.
Then that window to the left. Break it.
Alright. Any particular reason or just because it's a breakable window?
I reckon, yeah, you have to go through that.
Right. Whee! Did not seem to work.
I'm not entirely sure what you're supposed to do.
There's a door here. Maybe I'll try the door.
Control room.
See? Door. Best way to go every time. Your sneakiness is not going to help you here. Alright. A big red button. Always press the big red button.
Oh, really? It has to be on the ground. Okay.
That's ridiculous. Ah, maybe because of this. The bomb on it.
Yeah.
That might be a reason. We're going to let you out. My god. Just panic less.
Let's defuse the bomb first, or in that case, blow it up.
Of course. Time limit.
21 seconds.
Alright. And
Up in flames, really. Accelerants, really?
maybe. We'll find out when it actually wants to. There we go. And
Really?
yay! Uh oh.
Open the fire door in the train expressway. Disarm Firefly's bomb at the north end of the bridge.
You're not gonna listen to you.
Listen, I'm on my way.
I'm trying to help you.
Have this door open by the time I get back.
Jeez, this Gordon really is out for this.
See if you can save the hostages.
Yeah. He really is just out for. I'm gonna save the day. Right. Open the door. Open the door. I was expecting to call out for it and be like, yes, hello, this is Bane. That door didn't want to open.
Oh, hello, whoa, go back to that.
It was just a beep
Oh, well,
for the grate.
yeah.
And let's try this door. No operando.
Can you go through the grate?
At the top?
No, through, like down below, like the road's grate there.
No.
We'll go around there.
Dun 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 dun. Does not appear that I can. No. I think that is correct.
Okay, just double checking.
Forget them. They're useless anyway.
Well, there's a Riddler pack in there, so you can clearly get in there.
Yeah, but do we want to?
Yes.
Is this 100% run through?
Yes.
No. We've left so many data packs behind.
Okay. Go detective vision, like, see what you can...
See what I can see?
Yeah.
See what everything can be seen? I see.
You see?
I see.
You see?
The bomb looks like it can be moved. By something.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Ooh. I'll just take you.
Okay.
Yeah, I have no idea how I'm supposed to, but that'll...
That'll do. What was that?
What was that over here? Another one. Alright. Nope.
That just... Oh, okay.
Yeah! Totally what I wanted to do.
Use the lift again?
I'll try if it'll let me. Nope. Nope.
Okay.
Forget it!
Let's go what we're supposed to.
Nope, not the fire gate.
Wait for Alfred.
In the meantime, there's still one more bomb.
There's still one more bomb I can disarm.
Whee! Still fun.
Ah, man. Well, I don't think one of the combat things we need to do is for you to take out 2 people in one slide.
Oh, okay. Next chance, I guess, that will be done. Did we come from this way?
I don't think so. It doesn't look.
Does not look familiar.
Yeah, oh, okay, yeah, definitely not.
Emergency room. Somebody hit the panic button!
Okay. Where's the panic button?
You don't want to know.
Oh dear.
I need to stop walking into rooms without having the detective vision on. That's not a good plan.
Slide.
And slide again.
No.
I didn't think that would work. Okay, no greens here this time. Good.
Oh dear.
Well, that wasn't a good choice. No! That's not good. Sure it is.
Well, this is gonna suck.
Whee! I don't believe for a moment that this train would be perfectly positioned for you to just walk off it. I guess I have to go this way?
Yep. I'll just jump across the.
Oh yeah, just jump across. Nothing could possibly go wrong just by jumping. Whoop. Yep. And fire! Sure.
Oh, that was.
Not time for your showmanship, Batman.
Like that.
Whee! And again. Whee! That wasn't so bad.
Oh, hello. That guy has a gun.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, hello, sniper. Was you aiming at something? No.
You saw that guy down there.
Oh, it was a red light. That's okay. Please don't be mine. Please don't be mine.
Oh.
Don't turn around. Don't turn around.
And you see, had I been playing, the other guy you knocked down the other side would have, like, whooped.
I wanted to try and push him off the edge, but I thought it's not going to work.
See, I can't get away with this shit. I don't know why.
It's the game doesn't like you. Oh, level up.
Get the, shield.
Shield? Yeah.
Shield counter.
Yes. And here we go! Ah, I can't run this way. It's a lie. Boring.
Have you tried to do yeah. What was it called? Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Not good. He has a stick.
Yeah, gun.
No, they got a stick.
Gun.
Stick!
Gun.
Stick!
Hello.
Stick gets DDT'd every time. Guy with the knife. That's what we should have done.
Well, no, you can't actually deal with the knife. I can.
True. Well, I'm gonna leave this fight to you then, when I die.
You'll be. You better not die because you're the only one who can actually fight.
Or do stealth missions or play the game.
Yeah, apparently.
Really? God damn it. Come, everyone bundle
It
together.
just seems like a terrible place to fight. Like, everything is surrounded by electricity.
Ah, forget that, it's battering everybody!
See, like, this is the sort of place I would expect to fight the electrocution.
Yeah. Well, the way we fought it the first time I would have expected it as well. That was a terrible fight.
Yeah.
Now you just made me mad. Your shield's not going to help you this time.
We weren't like Batman when he's angry. He has to look straight to the air as command.
Yeah, we're in an electric room. Electric gloves. That seems the way to go.
Oh, that's painful.
Really?
Yep.
God.
Oh, wait, you're on 2 health, dude.
Yeah. No! There you go.
Oh, fuck.
Well, look, we've had a bit of a flip around in the last couple of episodes. I can do stealth, and you can fight. That's the way that's going to work.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Look, we'll go past the episodes, we'll go through the old episodes and see. You beat the crap out of his bad guys, and I kept losing. I beat the crap out of the bad stealth missions, and you kept losing.
No.
Yeah. You can take out the gun guy first, don't you?
Nope.
No. Just a generic guy? I see.
This fucker.
Seems like a good plan.
Hello?
Hello, I'm immune to takedowns. God damn it. They're going after guns, by the way.
Oh crap, my answer.
That's the alarm sound, dude.
You totally forgot about the alarms.
Car alarm. That's good. Wait a minute. Not a good plan.
Crap.
Really not a good plan. Not good. To the balls with that guy. Is that, I couldn't figure out the guy's chasing. He's not wearing armor, is he? He's just got a weird jacket.
Which guy?
The guy to your left. No, he's a regular dude with a weird jacket. That's alright. You can do this. Your shock gloves are about to be activated. If you can do it, Daniel, come on!
Hunt.
Activate those shock gloves!
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Put
Fuck
your
you.
shit away!
Fuck you. Fuck.
Oh.
Doubly fuck you.
Wow, man, you let him get away with it. That's not cool.
No, I'm taking out all of his friends first as a warning.
So he can suffer. Going up with the gun again.
I know. The problem is, I don't care. The guns aren't going to help you.
Not when the Batman has his electricity gloves.
Oh, he's got a gun. He's got a gun.
It's alright. He doesn't know how to use it.
No.
There we go. Oh, now you're in trouble. You want to get right next to that guy with the gun. Or else you are screwed. Come on, gun guy. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah. He's still on the gun. Oh my god.
You?
They really don't like you, do they?
Yeah, no, they don't. Dodge.
Oh.
To my face.
See? Fighting section. All yours. He's gonna glue. Right.
Where do I go? That's where I came from.
Well, good to know that you're sort of stuck here.
Button.
Big red button! People in Gotham need to stop using the big red buttons. Especially for important machines. Like, this is obviously troublesome.
Absolutely.
Stop listening.
Dance! Xbox dance! Damn, I can't do my hand!
Woo! Nothing.
Xbox, I need my hand.
The hand of terrible ninjas, don't ask for that.
I don't know, they're made of shadows, which is always cool.
Who are you talking about? You think about the foot
Yeah.
from Ninja Turtles?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I mean the hand from Daredevil.
Yeah, they kind of suck it.
Smoldering.
Although apparently they're connected.
Yeah, well, Ninja Turtles were born of Daredevil not being made. Because the radioactive vial didn't hit him in the face and it rolled down to the surface. Excellent. Explode them all.
Okay.
No, don't explode them. Or do. I mean, you're trying to stop the firefight blowing stuff up. And sure, blow it up yourself, that's good.
I'm the only one to go up and make them blow stuff up.
I'm the only one who can destroy the bridge. Me and me alone!
I'm not the bomber Gotham needs, I'm the good bomber Gotham deserves.
Oh, helicopter. Why not just open the door now? He was dressed in all blue with a red cape. We're not really sure what that means.
Yes, it would, Alfred. It would kill me.
If I was suddenly happy. Death. Ooh. Well, that's not good. Why would we want to save a half-burned bridge? What are you doing?
What am I standing on?
You're standing on nothing. I think you've been stuck in the car with one of those spikes. Are you stuck? No.
No.
Okay. Because the way this game treats my Xbox, it wouldn't surprise me if you got stuck.
I basically just want to go back to where I was. Oh, hello, what's this?
It's a exploding thingy. It's a door.
Ooh. No, that was...
I like that people in this city just, you know, that looks dangerous, just board it up with wood. Never mind that it was cement.
What? This game, man. Clearly it's like, fuck you.
It really doesn't like you at all. Interesting.
I can't remember how to slide.
Right trigger. While running. Or just duck hunt. Duck hunt is a better option. Now, what I don't understand about these gloves is when you're fighting, you have to build up the charge to activate them.
Yeah, but that minimum works perfectly there.
Yeah. What are you doing, Batman? What are you doing? Do you like punch your own hands and attempt to generate electricity?
So.
With a sniper.
No, it's not. I can't actually do that. I wonder if I can... Like, where does this actually... It doesn't actually go anywhere.
No. It's a useless grate.
Nope. Okay, so... What's the point of this?
Role playing.
Mother!
The point of that grate is to role play. If you want to be Batman going... Dun, 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 dun. Are you going to wait until he comes out? Because they're not going to do that. They know you're there.
I assumed he was going to follow me in.
Right.
I kind of assumed that.
That's a given in the stealth game. Bad guy, follow me.
What do we got?
Batarang.
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5 guys. Now... okay.
Now, I would throw a retro batarang at the sniper. But that's just me. Hey, sniper. Put your gun away. Now, Batman, pick up your sniper rifle and shoot the criminals in the head.
Batman doesn't use guns. Batman only needs the night.
Except for his grapple gun.
Yeah, no, I can do that. No, I'm wise to your bullshit game.
I could do that.
Yeah, Zach could. Because you like Zach and you take pity on him. Really. There we go.
I bought the game. It notices that. It's like, he paid for me, yay.
Like, it takes pity on Zach.
It's a new anti-piracy DRM. If you didn't pay for the game yourself, it makes it impossible to do stealth missions.
I reckon if I'm quick.
That is a long, like, I don't know. Maybe when there's no chance of being discovered, it's like, yeah, whatever. There's no point in you sitting here waiting to maybe be discovered for no reason.
Yeah. As opposed to... Ooh, there we go. As opposed to normal. Yeah, I know it will check it, but what I'm trying to do is get behind this fucker.
Nope, he got away. What? He's still alive. He's doing okay. He's perfectly fine. We know Batman doesn't kill us, but I need help anyway.
You're going to turn right now, aren't you?
No.
Ha! Fuck your stealth section game. Even with your bullshit, I beat you.
What a terrible choice. Well, I think we'll have to wait for the breach next time. When the fire door opens up from Alfred. Wah, wah, wah. Yes!
That's not what I wanted to do, but I'll accept it.
Okay. Goodbye.